Today we're going to make wasabi chicken nuggets. What is wasabi? Wasabi, in most of the Japanese restaurants, they serve a paste which is beautiful green in color, but it has got the pungency of mustard, and it comes from the plant, something like a cabbage or mustard plant, and it is pretty strong. I have made many people eat wasabi, and recently on MasterChef Telugu we did give wasabi as one of the core ingredient. But anyway, it will be fun to play around with wasabi, and you guys will enjoy it, especially when you keep it hidden in a chicken nugget like that. Super tasty. So for making this, we're going to take some chicken boneless pieces and add pinch of salt. Here a little bit of pepper powder, some herb and spice masala. You can use peri peri powder or any of interesting flavorings. So this is just to give a nice taste for the outer chicken. Okay. So now look at these chicken pieces. This chicken has been brined. Brined means you got to let the chicken pieces sit in salt water for at least 3 hours, after which you cook the chicken will be mama juicy, so juicy. So this chicken has already been brined and now it is slightly marinated. Now we're going to cut the chicken pieces a little bit and then we're going to put the wasabi paste. Chicken pieces in the size of nuggets, just give a gash like butterfly. Take the wasabi paste, be very careful, not too much, very little. So just look at how beautiful this is. Let it be hidden inside and cover it off. So that is what I'm going to do with all the pieces of the chicken. So give little butterfly like gash, squeeze in a little bit of wasabi paste, hide it in. So that's what we're going to do. Wasabi is quite strong, but once it gets cooked, it loses much of its the strength. But anyway, in the chicken pieces, that should be good enough. This wasabi paste is also used with raw meats like fish, and it acts as anti-food poisoning. If something has to give you food poisoning, this works as antidote. Today's recipe, I think I should call it as Squid Games chicken nuggets. Now you know the nugget story. Some egg, flour, breadcrumb, fry. As simple as that. The chicken pieces, one by one, just coat it with a little bit of egg, then put it in the flour. Now, one more dip in the egg. Okay? Coat it well. This time, you're going to put it in the breadcrumbs. As simple as this. Do not press the breast pieces because they're nice and soft. You do not want to spoil it. So egg, flour, one more time egg, and this time directly crumb it, handle it with care so they remain juicy when you take a bite. If it is brined chicken, 5 minutes of cooking should be good enough. So first I'm going to add some bigger pieces. Wow. So the moment I add 4 or 5 pieces, the oil temperature will go down. So I increase the flame a little bit. And once I see them frying well, now reduce the flame. You want to fry them till they are nice and golden. Now, the chicken nugget, color, well done, perfect, and super crunchy. This is a kick-ass wasabi chicken. So be careful with a little bit of the sauce and some wasabi paste also. Telling you guys, it's going to be boomba boomba. You can taste different flavors through your tongue. Wasabi is one thing that you can taste through your nose. The Squid Games chicken nuggets. The wasabi chicken nuggets is a must try. If you want to see the feeling, expressions once they taste it, so I've got my entire team here. Wasabi tasting challenge experience. You should enjoy this. I've given very little on the fingers. 2, 1, go बोलता है पूरा थोड़ा भी उंगली में बचा है ना मारेगा मैं ठीक है हाँ The wasabi tasting challenge. If you think the Indians can eat anything, here is my team who eat the spiciest. 3, 2, 1, go! और एक बार टेस्ट करेंगे So guys, now you know wasabi is a nice kick. Everybody has got a little bit tears in their eyes. So क्यों रो रहे बच्चे की तरह ठीक है Thank you guys. See you. The wasabi is a loving kick. So we got a lot more chicken nuggets. Now we're going to enjoy. But friends, this is awesome. The Squid Games wasabi chicken nuggets. You got to try this.